You know when something is so good you can't believe it's real. That's exactly how I felt when I used Vidu AI's reference to video feature. I'm not even exaggerating. I took a few images, wrote a simple story, and it turned into a short video scene that combines the references naturally and feels cinematic. All of this was done using Vidu AI's new Q1 model, which, by the way, is on another level when it comes to video generation. The Q1 model is what makes this possible. It understands the scene, keeps your characters consistent, and adds natural movement that actually feels like real footage. I have tried other AI tools before, but none of them handle storytelling and continuity like this. Most just throw images together or mess up the faces. But this, trust me guys, it's smooth, cinematic, and just feels right. Once you click the link in the description, it will take you to their official website. You can also scan the QR code on the screen or download the app from the Play Store or App Store. After downloading, sign up using my invitation code in the description with your Google account. It's really quick, so once you are inside, you will see a clean interface with different tools. You can create videos using text, images, or even ready-made templates. But in this video, I will be showing you one of the features which is the most powerful one. It's called Reference to Video. This feature lets you upload up to 7 images and turn them into a full video. So if you have a sequence of visuals or want to create a story, this is the tool for it. And the best part is, we are going to use Vidu's Q1 model, which gives super smooth, realistic, and consistent results. It's honestly next level compared to anything else I have tried. So here is the idea I want to bring to life today. I will create a short movie scene where there is a chemical experiment happening and something goes wrong, which results in some kind of creepy creature being formed. Sounds fun, right? So let me show you how I'm going to do that using reference images. Alright guys, so here I have uploaded 2 reference images. Both are scientists. What I want is a scene where they are shaking hands outside a chemical laboratory. Now when you add images in Vidu, it automatically tags them as image 1, image 2, image 3, and so on. So when you write your prompt, you just refer to them like that. For example, here is my prompt. Image 1 is shaking hands with image 2 outside a laboratory building. That's it. You just describe what's happening between those images. This is how you tell the AI which image is doing what and in what order. Now let's talk about a few settings. One of them is movement amplitude, which just means how much camera motion you want in your video. You can choose from auto, small, medium, or large. I usually go with auto. It gives a nice balanced movement that looks natural. Then you can pick your aspect ratio, select how many versions of the video you want, and once that's done, just hit generate. After a few seconds, it gives you the result. And honestly, this is so good. It created exactly what I had in my mind. From just 2 images, it made a clean handshake scene outside the lab. So you can download the video right away too. Now, in the next part of the story, I want the same 2 scientists to appear again, but this time one is giving an egg to the other. So I am keeping the characters same for the consistency, which is important if you want your scenes to feel like they all are a part of the same film. I also added a 3rd image of an egg. So here is the prompt I wrote. Image 1 gives the egg from image 2 to image 3 inside a chemical laboratory. So I will go ahead and generate the video. And what's amazing is that it gave me 2 versions of the same prompt from different angles. So I downloaded both so I can use different cuts of the same scene later on while editing. Now for the next scene, I wanted to show what happens during the experiment. So here the scientist smashes the egg and something strange starts to happen. These are the 3 reference images I used, and here is the prompt I wrote. Image 1 smashes forcefully the egg in image 2, produces danger light and then fusion to image 3 on the table, while the man behind gets scared. So let's generate that. And wow, just look at the result. It looks so good. From only 3 images, it created a full transformation scene that actually feels like something's going wrong in the lab. The motion, the lighting, everything just works. Now in the next scene, I want to show that the small creature from the egg is now turning into a bigger, more dangerous creature. So I uploaded 2 creature images and wrote this: image 1 transformation or fusion into image 2 with an explosion. So let's see how it turns out. Okay. This is insane. It handled the transformation so well. Just look at this. Guys, it looks so good. Like the whole vibe just shifted from science to scientific horror. Now for the next part, I wanted to show that the scientist is now running from the creature. So I added 3 images. One of the same scientist, one of a jungle, and one of the creature. So now I will write this prompt. Image 1 is afraid and running in the jungle in image 2. And image 3 appears running and attacks the man. So this is exactly how you are going to write the prompt. Alright, this scene turned out amazing again. You can literally feel the panic in it. The flow between all the images is smooth and again the character stays the same. Now that I had all the scenes done, I wanted to create a proper opening, so I added one more shot where the scientist arrives in a car, just to give the story a clean start. I generated that scene too, and it fits perfectly at the beginning. You can create as many scenes as you want like this, just by using reference images and writing your prompts clearly. When I combined all the parts together, added voiceovers, background music, and a few sound effects, it turned out into a proper cinematic clip. So let me show you the final result and you're going to love it. So here's the final result. Guys, this is honestly wild. It looks like a proper short film, and what's crazy is that all of it was made from just images and a few lines of description. What really makes this work is the Q1 model. It understands your scene, keeps character consistent, and makes everything feel real. The lighting, the motion, the transitions, it just gets it right. I have tried other tools before, trust me, but this one really impressed me. So if you want to create short story scenes, movie shots, or just bring your imagination to life, you should definitely try Vidu AI's reference to video feature using the Q1 model. It's easy to use, the results are insane, and honestly, it's just really fun to work with. So that's it for today's video. You can find the link in the description to try it out. And yes, you will get free credits if you use my link. Let me know in the comments what kind of scene you would like to create. And don't forget to like, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.